Welcome, visionary minds and tech enthusiasts, to the next future, your gateway to the boundless realm of artificial intelligence, AI, and everything related with online business. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey to answer a question that has captivated the aspirations of many. Is it possible to get rich from scratch with artificial intelligence? Over the next words, we will delve deep into the world of AI, uncover its potential for wealth creation, and equip you with insights, strategies, and real-world examples that will illuminate the path to financial success. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just a buzzword. It is a transformative force reshaping industries, redefining careers, and offering unprecedented opportunities for financial prosperity. At its core, AI involves the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and language understanding. Beyond its technological marvels, AI represents a gateway to turning ambitious dreams into tangible financial realities. Chapter 1: The AI Revolution. Our journey commences with an exploration of the AI revolution, a tidal wave of innovation sweeping across industries worldwide. AI's influence is not confined to a single sector. It transcends boundaries and impacts fields as diverse as healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. At the heart of AI lie fundamental concepts such as machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning empowers computers to learn from data, recognize patterns, and make predictions, while deep learning, inspired by the human brain's neural networks, enables AI systems to process vast amounts of information and extract meaningful insights. These foundational principles are the building blocks of AI's transformative power. To appreciate the profound impact of AI, one needs to look no further than real-world applications. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostic tools are revolutionizing patient care. Companies like PathAI utilize AI algorithms to assist pathologists in diagnosing diseases with unprecedented accuracy. These examples underscore that AI is not merely a technological marvel, but a catalyst for progress and financial opportunity. In the financial sector, AI is transforming trading and investment strategies. Hedge funds and asset management firms increasingly rely on AI for predictive analytics and decision-making, resulting in substantial financial gains. The success of these AI-driven strategies showcases the vast potential of AI to create wealth. Moreover, AI is reshaping education by personalizing learning experiences. Adaptive learning platforms powered by AI algorithms analyze students' performance and tailor lessons to their needs. This not only enhances learning outcomes, but also opens up opportunities for edtech entrepreneurs to create innovative solutions. In the entertainment industry, AI is enabling the creation of lifelike virtual characters and immersive experiences. Companies like NVIDIA are developing AI-driven graphics technologies that have the potential to revolutionize gaming and cinematic storytelling. As these technologies advance, new opportunities for financial success emerge. Chapter 2: Starting with AI from scratch. For those eager to embark on their AI journey from square one, the second chapter offers invaluable guidance. While AI may appear daunting, it is a field that welcomes individuals from diverse backgrounds and levels of expertise. A treasure trove of resources and tools awaits beginners in the AI landscape. Online courses, tutorials, and AI development platforms provide accessible entry points for aspiring AI enthusiasts. These resources empower individuals to acquire the foundational knowledge necessary to embark on their AI journey with confidence. Real-life success stories stand as beacons of inspiration, demonstrating that commencing the AI journey with minimal knowledge is both feasible and rewarding. Consider the story of Andrew Ng, co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera, who embarked on his AI journey as a novice but swiftly ascended to become a luminary in the field. His narrative exemplifies the boundless potential of AI, waiting for those who choose to invest in learning and application. Education, hands-on projects, and the cultivation of a robust AI foundation are vital components of this journey. Aspiring AI enthusiasts must actively engage in creating AI projects, no matter how modest. These projects serve as laboratories for applying knowledge and acquiring practical experience, ultimately establishing the foundation for future achievements. Moreover, the AI community is incredibly collaborative. Open-source platforms and forums enable individuals to connect, share knowledge, and collaborate on projects. This collaborative spirit fosters a supportive environment for newcomers to AI. Chapter 3: Wealth Opportunities with AI. As we delve deeper into our exploration, we arrive at the heart of the matter: the wealth opportunities that AI presents. AI is not merely a technological revolution. It is a gateway to financial prosperity. Recognizing and harnessing these opportunities requires a discerning eye for AI-driven trends and the cultivation of innovative ideas. AI has the potential to create wealth across an array of sectors. In the healthcare industry, AI-driven diagnostic tools are revolutionizing patient care. Companies like IBM Watson are utilizing AI to analyze medical data and assist healthcare professionals in making more accurate diagnoses and treatment recommendations. The financial sector is another arena where AI-powered algorithms are transforming trading and investment strategies, offering new dimensions of wealth generation. Innovation fueled by AI has the capacity to yield substantial wealth. Look no further than the success of OpenAI, an organization at the forefront of AI research. Their groundbreaking projects, such as GPT-3, have captured global attention and attracted substantial investments. OpenAI's journey demonstrates how pioneering AI ideas can translate into significant financial backing. Real-life exemplars further illuminate the wealth-building prospects of AI. Consider the ascent of UiPath, a leader in robotic process automation, RPA. UiPath achieved unicorn status in record time, showcasing how AI-powered solutions can disrupt industries and create substantial value. The story of Roblox, a user-generated online gaming platform, offers another compelling example. Leveraging AI algorithms for game development and user engagement, Roblox's valuation has soared into the billions. These examples underscore the transformative potential of AI-driven innovations. In the field of autonomous vehicles, companies like Tesla are on the brink of reshaping transportation and, in the process, accumulating significant wealth. Tesla's autopilot system, powered by AI and machine learning, is paving the way for self-driving cars. Furthermore, AI's role in e-commerce cannot be overlooked. Giants like Amazon utilize AI algorithms for product recommendations, personalized marketing, and supply chain optimization, resulting in colossal profits. Smaller businesses are also capitalizing on AI to optimize pricing strategies and enhance customer experiences, pioneering the path to financial prosperity. In conclusion, the question posed at the outset, is it possible to get rich from scratch with artificial intelligence, warrants an unequivocal affirmation. AI represents a legitimate pathway to financial prosperity. However, it is essential to recognize that wealth accumulation through AI is not instantaneous. It is the outcome of dedication, education, and strategic navigation. AI's dynamic nature demands continuous learning and an unwavering commitment to staying informed about the latest developments. It is a journey that rewards those who persistently seek knowledge and embrace the evolving landscape of AI. As we bid farewell to this enlightening expedition, we extend an invitation to engage with our community of AI enthusiasts. By liking, sharing, and subscribing, you become an integral part of our collective quest for AI-driven wealth creation. Together, we embark on an exhilarating journey into the future of artificial intelligence, where the potential for financial success is not a distant dream, but a compelling and attainable reality. The road to AI-driven wealth is long and winding, but with determination, innovation, and a commitment to lifelong learning, the destination is not just possible, it is within your grasp. So join us on this exciting journey, and together, let's shape a future where success is not a distant dream, but a compelling and attainable reality.